All right, this is Liberty stock number 51553. It's a Haas Super Mini Mill 2 Vertical Machining Center. Serial number 1087696, new 2011. 20 horsepower vector drive, high-speed machining, fourth axis ready, rigid tapping. All right, Rodney.
Yeah, we're up and running. I'll take a look inside, come around. There we go. Couple tools in there, the probe tools in there. Just use it for indexing, but a tool change. Probe's up on there. It's got a ruby. Renaissance pad.
Yep. Come back.
Air package door is unlocked. Just take a look in here real fast. Lube, air. Coolant.
Okay.
And yeah, back in, switch here, that's about it. Should I get the label?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, go ahead, go for it.
All right.
Yep.
Yep.
208 something on the side. and we're good to
208,
go,
got
yeah.
it.
Yeah, this one's running low.
Yeah, we got some tooling here.
Sure.
Okay.
And the mister.
Yeah, the mister.
So maybe I'll just run the spindle first by itself. We'll take it down, up. We'll do a tool change, do a few things manual on the axes, and I'll hit the program and let the program run for a minute. So spindle start, I'm at way down low at 20%. Let me see what I'm at here. Hang on a second. Let's go clockwise. I'm at 2,000. So we'll bring it up a little bit at a time here. 3. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, pull out.
15,000.
Yep, that's max. All right. Get down to about 10, stop it. Just do a start and stop at 10 so you can kind of see. Let's try reverse once. Sounds about the same, that's a good sign. And then clockwise, bring it back up, bring it back down a little bit. 9, oh, works good. 6,000. So that's pretty good there from a manual stand. Stop that. We'll do a tool change and MDI. Let's see, MDI. Let's do just put the probe. Go for the probe maybe. Go back. Put that away. I don't want to run with that. Any more? Or is that good?
That's good.
All right. I think it'll change one more time when I jump into memory. Going into jog, what we at here? Jog, hand jog, full up, I don't know, X, hand jog. Let me get in here a little more. Where am I at? Is that it? Yeah. side jog. There we go. And go back to X, move it over a little bit, and bring Z down. All right. And here's Z, Z, Z minus. Gotta watch myself. Here we go. Just gonna leave it there, and I'm gonna leave it at 50% rapid. We're on blocks here, so I'm not going full out for the program. 50% rapid. My feed is where I'll leave it 50 for just to get things going. I'll ramp it up. We can move right through it. I'm gonna go into memory. There is a program in there, and I'm just gonna hit cycle start and kind of watch it. It does a circular pattern straight away, and then it looks like it's doing some kind of a rectangular. We'll watch, kind of figure out what they're doing here. I think it'll change tools once and dump this one, and then we'll have no tool in the spindle, which is fine. Yep, push that one over. At 5,000, I can bring that up a little bit more too. I'm not sure what the program calls for. I'm at 50% or 70% on the spindle. I'm going to bring up the feed now too.
Here.
Yeah, we're moving. We're putting something out there. Cuts two of these, I think, the pattern, and it takes off and shuts down after about a minute.
Can you slow it down a little bit?
Slow it down?
Yeah.
That's, what am I at there? This 80% feed, and here's 100%. This is what the program is running at, this speed right here. I just got another circle, it's done circling. That's the second part of it. It drops in, the back second goes on. Running a shell mill on that position, so whatever. It's close to wrapping up here.
Never ending.
No, it ends. It actually does.
Oh, you take my part off now.
Take
Okay.
your part out now, see?
Right.
Told you it ends. Okay.
paint too hard.